All right, we're at Robbie's Marina, and we're gonna go try some snorkeling at the Alligator Reef. Hopefully, if it's not too damn windy. I hope it's not windy. This is our boat. Oh yeah. Cool. All right. Hopefully the wind is cooperating in our favor. We'll go to Alligator Reef. Otherwise, we're going to the sandbar. We'll find out when we get out there. I'm hoping. We'll see. I'm driving. No, just kidding. But. All right. We're going to Alligator Reef. It might be. Yeah. There we go. Hopefully we can snorkel at Alligator Reef. There's sea turtles and sharks. All sorts of cool stuff, apparently. Unfortunately, on this snorkeling trip to the Alligator Reef in Lighthouse, I got extremely seasick. The waves were 5 to 6 feet tall, rolling. It was extremely painful. I did miss out on filming 3 different sea turtles. I cannot wait to go again. It was absolutely beautiful out there.